Donato's Pizza on Highway 31 across from the Rave Theater. Dine-in, carry-out, or delivery. Donato's Pizza, celebrating 45 years of serving the best pizza. Grant, how do you make all those tackles? What's your secret?
I use that pizza.
All right, well, you got
Donato's, Vestavia's favorite pizza. Donato's!
Beginning of the second quarter, 8 minutes back on the clock. Rebels have the ball. The score is 6-0. Rebels have the ball on the 31-yard line. Rebels line up on offense. Cole Johnston in at quarterback.
Cole Johnston quarterback. Rebels starting on the 31.
Oh, it looks like we had a little bit of a false start.
Maybe a little early movement in there.
May have had a little problem with the snap count. And Johnson with a handoff up the middle. Eli Sawyer.
Cole Johnson with a handoff up the middle to Eli Sawyer. Eli takes it to the 30-yard line.
Gain of about 5 yards.
Looking at third and about 15.
And much better discipline by the Rebels team this game. This time around, a little bit more experience for these young players.
Cole Johnson for the Raiders, getting the team set. Snap, we have a handoff
around the right-hand side. Number 22.
Smythe moving the ball, cutting up the hole there.
Makes a nice cut.
5, 6,
Gain of
7
about
yards.
7 yards.
Good scramble on it.
Gain of 7 for Sean Smythe. Brings up fourth and about
That'll bring
9.
up about fourth. Rebels electing to punt. Raiders will be taking the ball.
And the Raiders line up very quickly.
Raiders line up, starting on the 20.
T.J. King under quarterback. And
set.
what do they call
Have a flag on the
start?
play. A
That
little bit of
may be the
movement.
break that the Rebels needed. That brings up first and about 15 for the Raiders. And
Raiders get it.
Oh, he's going to run right.
Great quarterback keeper around the side. Got the Raiders. He's going.
He is very fast.
Number 54, DeMarcus Burris, with a burst of speed, and he's running down. We've got a touchdown, but we've got a flag on the play.
Touchdown number 54, DeMarcus Burris. And did you see the explosive speed on that young man as he marched it all the way down the field? I told you, this Raider offense is dangerous. Number 63 and at quarterback, King Jr. And
Raiders with the first and 10, got a handoff right up the middle.
Number
Great run by
69, Nicholas Foster on the carry.
Getting close to a first down on that carry.
Didn't catch who made that tackle. I think it may have been Sam Herndon or Sam Sheridan.
Second down, a short yard to go.
King Jr. again in the quarterback.
T.J. King gets the team
Keeps
set.
it around the left-hand side.
Goes around the side.
Sean Smythe.
Fumble on
my
the play. Recovered
Another
by
break.
the Rebels.
Another break by the Rebels.
Okay, Andrew Tillman on the recovery there.
Tillman recovers another fumble. Tillman managed to recover a fumble for a touchdown in the last game against the Hoover Raiders. Recovered it in the end zone for a touchdown. He gets a nice break tonight, heads up play, and gets the fumble recovery. And the Rebels line up, 35-yard line, first and 10.
Cole Johnson with a handoff.
15, Garrison Cherry, the carrier. He's
Raiders
a tough
coming
running,
through,
breaks a
but
couple
Garrison's
tackles,
still moving,
3
moving
tackles,
flag.
4 tackles.
Breaking down to the 40.
Finally, a host of
Great
Raiders
run there
bring
by
him
Garrison
down.
Cherry.
And Cherry's gain of about 5 yards. That was a hard-earned 5-yard gain. Brings up second and about 5 for the Rebels. And handoff looks like it's going for up the middle. And Sean Smythe locked up before he
Great
even had a
penetration
chance
by the Raiders on that play. Number 69, Nicholas Foster. Assist by Ethan Mims on that
Maybe a loss of about a half yard.
DeMarcus Burris in on that stop. Excuse me. Great penetration that time by the Raiders. Maybe lose a yard on that. We're looking at 3rd and 6. Cole Johnson with the team
hands it off to Sean Smythe, who cuts it up around the right hand side. Nice stiff arm. He gets just enough for the first down. Just enough for the first down before he gets forced out of bounds. Nice run by Sean Smythe to pick up the 5 yards needed for the first.
Team's getting set here as we have 3 minutes, 32 seconds left in the first half. Cole Johnson moving the team. Got a handoff up the middle. Eli Tillman running forward before he is met right up the middle by number 54, DeMarcus Burris on that stop. That'll give us 5 for the Rebels, looking at 2nd and 5.
Remaining in the quarter. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left in the half. Johnston with the end around.
5 for the Rebels. We got a handoff up the side. Ben Murphy around the corner.
Ben Murphy with the carry, and looks like
we may
he
have
got enough.
First
Very
down.
close to the first down. Very close. Looks like they're going to call it 3rd down and short.
Just shy. Going for 3rd down and matter of inches here as the Rebels get set.
Nice run on the end
Raiders not giving it to him easy.
Murphy.
Put up a good
3rd and inches for the Rebels. What's the call going to be? Are they going to go with the quarterback sneak and get this first down, or? And he hands it off to.
Got a handoff
no,
up
we
the
got a
middle
fumble.
A little trouble on the exchange. Going to lose a couple.
Rebels are going to go for it. It is 4th and about 4 yards for the first down. 56 seconds remaining in the half. Rebels hoping to possibly score right before the half.
Getting action back underway. 56 seconds left. Rebels going forward on 4th down. Got the snap.
And a lot of penetration on the play. Sean Smythe's got to turn on the corner. Got to turn on the speed.
Looks like he's going to get there before he's
very close. Doesn't matter where they mark the forward progress.
P.J. King and a
depend on the
host
spot
of
on
the
this
Raiders
ball as
making
to
a
whether they
stop
got
there.
the first
It's going to be
down.
very close.
They're going to measure. And can't call that one from here. What did they call?
After the measuring on the play,
didn't quite get it.
And the Raiders with the stop.
Just to stop the Raiders from scoring. They'll probably be coming around the right side with the quarterback keeper. And number 54 around the right-hand side. Very fast. He's the one that did that big run earlier. And a nice tackle by number 4,
Eli Sawyer, number 4.
DeMarcus Burris brought down, but not until he had gained about 9 yards. That'll bring up 2nd.
It's going to bring up
about a yard.
You're
stepping up to the line. 27 seconds remaining at 2nd and short. I think the Raiders are going to be going for it all on every play here.
2nd and short on the snap.
Unless.
Flag on the play. Maybe a little false.
And it looks like they may be coming around with the quarterback keeper around the left-hand side this time.
Out the play. We got
Burris very hard to stop.
Raiders.
And nice tackle. Who made that tackle?
Burris with a great run.
Sean Smythe there grabbed him.
Should be
first
enough
one
for
to
the
lock
first.
up. Looks like
Continuing
an
to march
assist
on down
by
the field.
Quan Ball. Host of other Rebels. Garrison Dabbs. And who? I don't want to leave anybody out here. McLean also in on the tackle. Grant McLean.
1st and 10.
Yeah, looks like they're
Raiders starting on the
quarterback keeper
35.
around the right-hand side. They probably have an offsides there.
Quarterback keeper on it.
Boy,
Marcus
hard
Burris.
runner. It looks like the Rebels got
Good run.
penetration.
So it's good penetration there by the Rebels. Grant McLean, Andrew Tillman, Eli Sawyer.
That first contact
2 or
was,
3
I think,
Rebels getting in the
Grant
backfield
McLean.
there.
It could have been
And that will take us to the half.
And
Halftime, we have 6 for the Vestavia Rebels.
And at halftime, the Rebels lead it 6-0. Shawnee Mack, how do you score all those touchdowns? What's your secret?
That's easy. I eat a lot of Donato's pizza.
Donato's Pizza on Highway 31 across from the Rave Theater. Dine in, carry out, or delivery. Donato's Pizza, celebrating 45 years of serving the best pizza.
Donato!